In this demo, we will show how JIRA integration works. To enable JIRA integration, we should use main ZAPTEST menu Integrations JIRA connection. Here, we should set all default configuration and send checkbox enabled. It will enable auto-posting issues to JIRA. Also, we could change some configuration from script. For doing it, we could use special object JIRA integration. There, we could change server, credentials, project, load or save as default configuration. It means that if you have some special script, you could handle it. For demo test case, we will take our demo tutorial example and will make mistaken URL. So instead of login page, ZAPTEST will open main page without login view. It will create fail result and ZAPTEST will create issue on configured JIRA server. In this JIRA report, we can see attached result file, information about test case, and detailed information about failed steps with screenshots. Software developer or quality engineer can use this information for fixing test case or fixing some bugs in the project. Thank you for using ZAPTEST.